Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Mariah and I hope you're all having a great day. I have my unboxing to do today. This is actually one of my Black Friday weekend purchases from Diamond Art Club. I purchased this one on Saturday the 28th. So it wasn't the Black Friday, but it was the Saturday purchase. And it was shipped Sunday, so it shipped out the next day, and then it's been lost, guys. It's just been floating around everywhere. The tracking number actually changed on me. I didn't even know that, and it did arrive today. So what did I get? It's a big one. It does take up the whole width of my table from one end to the other sideways, so hopefully I can get it all in the frame. It does have blue, which means square. And what did I get? Oh, she's heavy. Betrayal. Now, let me move my light. I've been having light issues today, guys. So she is 70 by 70, so she's one big square. It does say it's got ABs. The name of it again is called Betrayal, and the artist is Mario Sanchez Novato. There has been a lot of controversy on this one on the face groups and on Diamond Art Club's website, because there is, there's a gun. But I like that kind of stuff, guys. I like controversy type art, and I wanted to get this one. So she is a new release. She didn't come out Black Friday weekend, but she came out, I think, in the batch before. My other orders are still floating around somewhere, guys. They'll make it here one of these days. Alright, so on this big old box, you've got the logo, got the blue stripe. You know what it looks like. Let's get into it. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's Friday. I've done a couple of videos today, guys. That way I can have some downtime over the weekend. Oh, she's heavy. Ooh. Okay. Alright. So, here is the mini sticker. Again, with these stickers, you can put them in a journal. You can put them on the back of the frame. Once you've done it and framed it, that's what I do. I sign it on one side and date it on the other. You can journal it, put it on the box. So many things you can do with it. Or just save it. But that's the mini sticker. Then we got the big one. Got a little wrinkled. That's okay. We got the big sticker here. But look at that image. So on the camera, on my phone you can't really tell, but there's a gun right here. But it's actually a city, and it's got pollution and smoke, and then you've got the hand that looks like it's all burnt up. This is supposed to be Mother Earth. It's very pretty. Again, it's a controversial piece. Not everybody likes it because of the gun. But I like it. I think it's really, really pretty. She's got 60 colors. She's got a lot of colors. And it looks like 2 ABs, a white and a green, unless there's something hiding in here. Yeah. Alright, so one more look. I don't know how well we're going to be able to see the canvas, but let's take a look. First, we have the toolkit. It's got 2 pieces of your heart-shaped wax. You've got your blue standard pin with the single placer. Because it's a square, it does have the black pokey tweezers in here. There's a 4-placer down there, multi-placer. And the blue squishy clear tray with the spout on the other side. All right, let's take a look at the canvas. Alright, so it does come with the little step-by-step instructions, tips and tricks. It's got instructions and a thank you code. I am an affiliate, so if you look down in my description and links below, you can find my code there too. Here's all the drills. It's a big bundle here, but it is all in just one package. Lots of different colors. I'll open this up in just a second, and it does have the name of the canvas right here so that you can separate your drills from your canvas if you choose to do so. She did get a little crunchy. She's a little crunched right there, but that's okay, guys. It'll smooth out. And because it is poured glue, and that I know for Diamond Art Club, I am familiar that their canvases are poured glue, so I can roll it backwards. I'm still learning all the canvases and what can get rolled and what can't get rolled, but Diamond Art Club's been my jam for a long time, so I already know. Alright, so let's see if we can get her. Oh, she's pretty. Hold on. Let me try to smush it down a little bit. There's going to be some wrinkles, but it's not a big deal. And it will come out over time. At the top here, we've got Do What Makes You Sparkle with Diamond Art Club. That is the brand there. Scalloped edges. They also have Shimmer and Shine. Maybe if I take this out. Can't get the lighting to work today. It's one of those days. Sticky canvas. And very clear. That's not gonna work. Hold on. There we go. Very clear drill field. You're gonna have a schematic on the right side here, as well as coming up here on the upper left. The bottom right or bottom left corner, you do have a thumbnail of the photo. It's got the size. It's got suggested framing right here, as well as the artist again was Mario Sanchez Novato with Diamond Art Club. It does have their social media information in the middle, and then talks about their canvas guarantee right there. So let's take a look. Looks good. You can definitely see her face, like her nose and her mouth right here. I like that there's a big waterfall coming down. There's like an upside down tree, some land. I mean, all of this is like land and water. You've got trees coming out right here, like little palm trees. I don't know. Maybe these black things are supposed to be like birds right here. But she's going to be all earthy and water and just really pretty. Even the picture itself, the canvas, it's very pretty. And then right here, you do have the gun. There's also a knife right down here underneath it. And there's lips, like the tip of the gun is giving you a kiss. But there's lips on the tip of the gun. There's cities right here. And then there's the gray smoke and stuff that's coming from the pollution. The arm looks like fiery and volcanic, kind of. Just, I don't know. I just really like it. There's some purples, blues, grays up there. And again, she's really got a lot of colors on her. Very pretty. And there's probably a lot of hidden things in here, like images. And again, people are going to see it differently. I do like that it's a big square. I haven't done one yet that's actual square. So, let's flip it over. And since we're on white screen, I'm going to bring you down so we can look at drills. If I can get my lighting right, because guys, I've been having an issue with the light all day today. Alright, again, this is our package. This is all the pretty colors. Let's open it up real quick. Okay. Alright, so the first color we got is 312. It's a blue. Another blue. 3325. Then we have a mint 775. We actually have two of those. And again, these are square drills. We got 317, it's a gray. 322, it's a blue. 310, which is black, and we got only 2 bags of 310 out of that whole painting. Just only 2 bags. 645, which is a gray. And then 300, which is like a brick red. Move on to the next one. Sorry guys, the drills are always my loudest part. Okay, here we go. Oops. Okay. 647. 3371, which is like a chocolate brown. We got 2 of those. 414, which is gray. Ooh, this is our first AB. Ooh, I've never had this color. 125. So this is like, I thought it would be a white, but it's like a pale green. It's like a pale yellow green or something, like a lime color. Unless my eyes are just being really bad, but it doesn't look white. And it's a good size bag. That's pretty. And then we've got 3755, which is a blue. We got 2 bags of those. We got a little passenger right here. 3024. 3865, and we've got 2 bags of those, just like a white. 334, it's a blue. We actually got 2 bags of those as well. We got 762. 2 bags of those. 823, looks like a royal blue. 3841, which is a baby blue. 938. We've got 2 bags of those. It's a brown. 3799. Looks like a gray. And then 413. It's another gray. Oh, wait. Moving on to the third train here. We got 413, which is a gray. 336, it's a blue. 780. It's like UT brown right here. Or orange, I should say. 939. And we have 2 bags of those. Which looks like a really dark blue. 648. It's a cream. 318, which is a gray. 646. 550. Purple. 904, it's a green. 470, it's another green. So there's probably going to be lots of shading. There is a lot of colors in this though. I like that. 782. 898, just like a brown. 890, it's a dark green. 415, the passenger. 832, it's like a camel color. 783. 779. 905. And then 895. Okay. Here's the last train, guys. This is the bag of the little guys here. Alright, we got 3782. A really pretty mauve color, 3860. Three 327, it's a purple. 844, it's gray. 834, which is a pale yellow. 498, it's red. 3861, it's like a rosy pink. 3346, we got green. Oh look, there's a right there. That one's got a big bottom right there. It caves in. That's okay. 3837, purple. 356, which is a really pretty pink. 758, so another pink. 3778, more pink. 321. 814, just a dark, looks like burgundy maybe, like a wine color, matches my nails. 833, here's our second AB, which is 135, and this is like a neon lime color here. Why do I feel like that was the same number as the other one? Maybe it was 145. This one's 135. Then we got purple, and we just got a little bit There's only a little bit in this little bag. That's okay. 209, which is purple. 742, which is an orange. We got 754, which is a pink, and then an orange 947. So that's all the drills. Let me bring you back up again while we're on the white. Flip you over. You guys, she's pretty. Look at all the colors. Just her face, like. So many things could be said about this image, and there's so many ways to look at it. But I think she's very, very pretty. Oops, I pulled you. Sorry, I'm moving the canvas. Because she's wrinkled right here. But she's gonna have like purple. You can see like mountains kinda right here. Just the land, there's hills. Like I said, this is like a big waterfall that's like tears maybe, or just a waterfall in general. But I like how it almost is like, to me, like a face here, almost like she's wearing some type of a hat, right? Do you see what I'm saying? It's kind of like she's wearing one of those hats with the, you know how people wear the big hats with the lace, kind of like Lady Gaga in one of her videos, something like that. But then you can see like her neck and, you know, her shoulder or breast area. I don't know what this is right here. I can't tell. But yeah. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up. Hope you enjoyed this video and this image. I hope it doesn't offend anybody, but like I said, I do like controversial art. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go. Hope you have a great weekend. Tell my new subscribers thank you. If you're not subscribed, you should subscribe. Alright guys, well I appreciate you and I hope you have a great day. Bye.